Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a packing video on the Jujube Encore tote. This is in the black rose. I did unbox this bag and show you quickly yesterday. I wasn't sure if I liked it. I do like the style. I wasn't sure about the colour. It was quite late in the day, but when I pulled it out today to have a look at it, I actually do really like it. This reminds me of the Monarch Black, and it is very good quality. It's like the fabric off a Be Quick or the set pieces. And the quality is really good on this bag. For a $60 bag, it's a pretty good bag. I haven't got any issue with the quality on it. I know some people are saying that the inside lining is a bit thin. I think it is a bit thinner than what we're used to seeing on a Jujube bag, but still the quality is still there, I feel. So I'm going to quickly show you what it's like on the body, because I did carry it around for a bit just to see how comfortable it was. So I find that it's a bit more comfortable than the Be Classy, just because it doesn't have the roll tote, and the roll tote handles dig into my shoulder, but this one is quite heavy with the stuff that I have in it, and it's very comfortable. It's a super lightweight bag. I think it's a bit bigger than the Classy. I think you're going to probably fit a bit more in here. The bag is what it says it is. It's a tote bag, and a tote bag is a bag that you can just keep on throwing stuff into, and that's what this bag is. I mean, I've got it pretty packed, but I've got tons of room for other stuff. So these tote handles are 12 inches long. On the front bit here, we have a snap closure. It has 3 pockets, 2 smaller ones at the side and a bigger one in the middle. In the middle here, I have my Be Rich wallet. Over in this side, I have a small set piece in Black Magic with charger stuff for my phone. There's a key fob. And over in this corner, I just threw a hand cream in there. And then I do have the stroller clips that came with the bag as well, just tucked down into here. And I would probably put my phone into here, or my phone does fit in these smaller side pockets, because I have the 8 Plus, so my phone does not fit into the tech pockets of this bag. But I like the way it's like very neat and clean looking at the front here. Even when I've got stuff in this pocket, it's not kind of bulging out. So I really do like that about it. It does have the D-rings on the side if you want to add a messenger strap. So here is one of the 2 tech pockets that's on this bag, and in here I just put my sunglasses. And then there is a snap pocket at the back, and I have a wipe pouch with Kleenex, and I have some hand and face wipes in there. And there's other room, like you can put more stuff in there too. I just didn't totally pack it out, so that's what I have in there. And then for the top bit of the bag, you have a zipper that runs right across the top, like in the Be Classy. The zippers on this are pretty good. They're quite smooth. They're maybe not as good as what we're used to seeing, but for a $60 bag, they're pretty good zippers. So I'm going to try and fold this over a bit so we can get a look inside. Now the inside fabric is embossed with the Jujube stuff, so that is how I have it packed up. I don't have it totally packed, but as you can see, I've got room that I could throw more, whether it's hats, jackets or whatever in there. So there is like a slip pocket at the back here, and I just put a change of clothes and the wet bag down here. So that's what I have down there. There are 2 insulated bottle pockets right here, but I don't think they're that insulated because they are pretty thin, but most of the cups that I use are insulated, so that's not an issue for me. So I have a sippy cup in that one and another sippy cup in the other one, so that's all I have in there. I'll flip the bag round so we can look over on this side. So here is your second tech pocket right there. I didn't put anything in there because I didn't know what to put in there, but it'd be a good pocket for a small camera, or if you have a smaller phone, I guess. So it has 2 mesh pockets that are right here, so similar to the stuff that you have in the Classy, you know, those mesh pockets, or the Hobo Bee. So I have a black ruby med kit in there. That's a little custom piece I have. Over in this one, I have a forget-me-not, and forget-me-not looks pretty good with this bag. And in here I just have it full of story cubes for my kids. And then all I have left is what's in the main part of the bag, and I just stuck the change pad that came with this bag down there. It's a light change pad, same as what you'd find in a hobo bee. And then I have a medium set piece in the black ruby, and that just has some toys for the younger kids. And then I also have a medium set piece in forget-me-not that has some snacks in there. And then all that's left in that main bit of the bag there is a large set piece, and that just has wipes and diapers in there. So as you can see, I did have quite a bit in this bag. It's a good sized bag, and you would definitely fit a lot more in here. So I think I am going to try and find some of the floral prints too, just because I really like that midnight posy one, and I do like the whimsical ice too. But I don't know, I was going to sell this one or try and trade it, but I don't know, I think I might keep it. And it does concern me a little that I actually might like this better than the Bee Classy, just because the Bee Classy is a heavier bag, and I think because this is so lightweight, I don't know, I think I can see me using this one more than the Bee Classy. So I don't know, we'll see, I'll let you know how I get on with that. But anyway, if you have any questions, please put them below. Thanks for watching.